This is a brand new 2012 BMW 750. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 4.4-liter V8. Its top features include memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a navigation system, cruise control, commercial-free satellite radio, interior wood trim accents, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, adaptive brake lights, a low tire pressure indicator, cornering lights, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Moritz Cadillac BMW Mini is located at 2001 North Collins Street in Arlington. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.